Survival Test Lab here, and today I'm showing you the top best jailbreak tweaks for iOS 11 up to iOS 16. The first tweak is called NetVents, and this tweak right here allows you to monitor your network traffic. So this part was 13.0 to 16.5, and you see some screenshots of the tweak. So pretty much, yeah, like I said, monitor your network traffic. So as you see right here, there are different domains, and when there's stuff that goes against, your network traffic, it does come up and appear for you to pretty much allow it or to block it with other settings as well. So right here as well, you have the main rules, and you could pretty much allow them or block them, depending on what you want to do with them. So when you play games and all that, or run websites, and there's a bunch of ads, this also does work with that as well. You see right here on the Facebook app, there's many different links because it like redirects you and all that, and you go to different links. You're allowed to pretty much allow it or block it. So it's pretty cool. The network monitoring tweak, it allows you to intercept all outgoing network connections from your device, allows you to see what network requests are being made by apps, and presents you with an alert, giving you the option to allow or block the connection. It records all the data that is being sent to the app servers and stores it locally on your device so that you can examine it later. So it gives information about the link to which the app is connected, and also tells you if the link's host is well known for ads or tracking. Tweak can block content that you don't want the app to send. For example, you can use it to block Google or Firespace Analytics, which is the majority of apps used to track your user actions. While the main focus of NetVents is to provide an X-ray visualization of the network traffic, its objective is not to be a full replacement for an ad blocker, but can be still used to block ads and other unwanted content from apps. So right here, you have all the features you guys have. You can view it, allow or block it, allow or block some domains. You have global rules, hard requests, network request statistics, examine information present and recorded requests like some data, server location, request headers, quickly search for a specific request or by host or app name. And yeah, pretty cool. You also can import the whole list files file directly to NetVents. So there's also some Q&A down here you guys can look at for yourself. Your Sileo nightly channel. So this is a modern APT package manager front end. This is the night version of it, nightly channel, and this is pretty much an alternative to cydia. If you want a different interface and a faster cydia, pretty much, then this is what you guys can download. I prefer cydia, but I know a lot of people do like sileo. And my second favorite is actually Zebra. Zebra is also a good package manager that's faster and, alternative to. Alright, so if you guys want to get those cool Instagram features on your iOS device, you guys will download tweak code Rocky for Instagram. So you used to have pretty much like in the description of everything this tweak does, like all the features and all that, but they took it away. I don't know why. But you guys pretty much download the Instagram app from the App Store, and you guys download this tweak, and that's really it. Then inside the Instagram app, you open up, once you sign in, all that, you guys can go to your settings for this tweak, like in the Instagram app, and see all the features it has, and you can turn them off and on as well. So it gives you a bunch of Instagram plus features, so on pretty much the newest version of Instagram. Pocket Translator, so it's pretty much a tweak. It's a super lightweight translator, so you guys talk to people who speak different languages than you. You communicate occasionally with using different language, and instead of going to Google and searching it up every single time and then having to copy paste that, all that, look up what they say and then look up how to say it. Like, that's annoying. This makes it a lot quicker and faster using this tweak. Splash, and get rid of annoying test flight splash screens. iCleanup Pro version 7.10.0. This is, I think, update back in like April of 2023. I am pretty behind with my tweets. I do apologize. So it's your real first pretty much iOS cleaner. It does support iOS 4.x and later, and it's a iOS system cleanup and management utility. It frees up space on your device and allows you to configure it to your liking. So I'm gonna scroll down, but you guys have pretty much all these cleanup features you guys can do, and pretty much the main thing of this device, the main point of this tweak, or app, is it deletes downloaded iOS update files. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I mean, the main point is to clear up space. So when you use this for the first time, or you just every couple weeks or something, you're gonna clear up a couple gigabytes of space. Like the first time you use it, you'll probably clear up 3 gigabytes. So it's definitely worth it, especially if you're running down space, and since it is clearing up log files and clearing up unnecessary stuff in the background and clearing up a ton of space, it does make your device somewhat faster. So keep that. Another thing I was going to say about the iCleaner Pro is that you can always like delete it and then reinstall it every couple months just to run it one time and delete it. I mean, you don't have to have it installed on your device, but iCleaner Pro is a tweak that every jailbreak user should have. But yep, next tweak is called No In-App Safari. It disables in-app. Next tweak is called Fake Pass. Fake Pass is good for Checkra1n on A11 devices. Functionality for checkmate base jailbreak to iOS 14 and up on A11 and A10 on jailbreaks without Blackbird. So base pretty much just like a real patch code, but goes away. Obviously, if the device is rebooted to an unjailbroken state, since this is a jailbroken tweak, so in order for this tweak to be working, you do have to be in a jailbroken state or a jailbroken mode. It does not provide real security because, like I said, if you pretty much on jailbreak, like turn your device off, turn it back on, where it's not in jailbroken state, then this tweak will not be working. But if it is in jailbroken state, you're good. Biometrics, Touch ID or Face ID, and Apple Pay are not currently supported. Support for the former is coming soon. So if you have on iOS 15 and above, if you have Rocket Bootstrap installed, make sure you also install Rocket Bootstrap Fits or use the Odyssey version of Rocket Bootstrap. But this tweak does support iOS 14.0 up to iOS 16.3.1 on A11 to A8 to A11 devices, which is like, I think, iPhone 7 to the iPhone X, right? 9, 8. Yeah, I think it's iPhone, maybe 6. iPhone 6 or iPhone 7 up to the iPhone X. And last but not least, we have full or foul decrypt. Directly decrypt binaries like Flex Decrypt, but also supports iOS 14. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.